Hi children, good morning. Today this is exercise time. First bit, tick right mark or the right mark the correct answer. Okay, tick the correct answer. Now we have four statements here. Let us see. First one, mountains, hills and valleys are made up of. Children, mountains, hills and valleys are made up of. So the answer is yes, rocks. Okay, so here rocks or ice is given, so rocks is the right answer. Second one, all rocks are made up of either minerals or soils. Children, all rocks are made up of, yes, minerals. So I'm ticking this one. Okay, so minerals is the right answer. Third one, granite or sandstone is an igneous rock. Which this one or this one? Is granite or sandstone, children? So granite or sandstone is an igneous rock. So granite is the right answer. So which one is the right answer? Granite is the right answer. And last one, basalt or pumic. Okay, basalt or pumic is used as skin scrubber. Which one of these two? Either basalt or pumic? Yes, pumic is used as skin scrubber to remove the dead skin. So once again I repeat, first one, mountains, hills and valleys are made up of rocks. All rocks are made up of minerals. Granite is an igneous rock. Pumic is used as skin scrubber. Okay. Children, now see second bit, fill in the blanks. So 6 blanks are there. Now let us see. Rocks are made up of. Rocks are made up of minerals. Okay. Rocks are made up of minerals. Second one. There are different types of rocks. There are three different types of rocks. Okay, what are the 3 different types of rocks? Igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Third one, dash is a dark, shiny and layered rock appearing like glass and having edges. Which one, children? Obsidian. Okay, obsidian. So obsidian is a dark, shiny and layered rock appearing like glass and having edges. Fourth one, dash is formed from clay and mud deposited in riverbeds. Shell. So shell is formed from clay and mud deposited in river beds. Fifth one, dash is a metamorphic rock of granite, gneiss. G-N-E-I-S-S. It is gneiss is a metamorphic rock of granite. Sixth one, dash or rocks are formed by cooling of lava, igneous. So igneous rocks are formed by cooling of lava. So once again see the 6 fill in the blanks. First one, rocks are made up of minerals. There are 3 different types of rocks. Obsidian is a dark, shiny and layered rock appearing like a glass and having edges. Shell is formed from clay and mud deposited in river beds. Gneiss is a metamorphic rock of granite. Igneous rocks are formed by cooling of lava. Okay. Children, see. Now third one, write T for true and F for false statements. Now we have 5 statements here. Now we have to tick mark either true or false. First one, marble is an impure form of limestone. Marble is an impure form of limestone. So that is false. So I am writing F here. Second one, pyrite is an ore of iron. Pyrite is an ore of iron. Okay, so that is false. Third one, diesel is obtained from petroleum. Yes, this is true. I am writing T here. Slate is a metamorphic rock. This is also true. So I'm writing T here. Paraffin wax is obtained from coal. No, false. So false, false, true, true, false. So once again I repeat, marble is an impure form of limestone. False. Pyrite is an ore of iron. False. Diesel is obtained from petroleum. True. Slate is a metamorphic rock. True. Paraffin wax is obtained from coal. False. Okay. Children, now let's see the fourth one. Explain the following topics. Explain the following topics. First one is ore. Some metallic minerals from which metals can be extracted. See children, the metals can be extracted from the, from the metallic minerals only. Those are called as ores. For example, iron can be extracted from hematite. This is a metallic mineral or ore. Aluminium can be obtained from bauxite. So aluminium is a metal can be obtained from an ore called as bauxite. Second one, explain fossil fuels. Explain fossil fuels. Fossil fuel is formed from the dead remains of plants and animals that are buried in the soil. So after the death of the plants and animals, anyway, they are buried in the soil. A million years ago, okay, of years, these dead bodies of plants and animals for million of years, what happened? The fuels are formed. After that fuels are formed, those are called as fossil fuels. Example is coal and petroleum. Example is coal and petroleum. So once again I repeat here, or some metallic minerals from which metals can be extracted. Extraction means taken out, are known as ores. Iron can be obtained from hematite. Aluminium can be obtained from bauxite. Okay. Right, fossil fuels is formed from the dead remains of plants and animals that are buried in the soil for million of years. Okay. Children, now see fifth bit, answer the following questions. First one, what are rocks? Mention the different types of rocks. What are rocks? Mention the different types of rocks. Rocks are solid substances found on the surface of earth. So you know that the rocks are solid substances found on the surface of earth and are made up of minerals. These rocks are made up of minerals. And the three different types of rocks are, first one, igneous rocks, second one, sedimentary rocks, third one, metamorphic rocks. Second question, describe the sedimentary rocks, give examples. Sedimentary rocks are formed when mud and sand are deposited in layers. So this mud and sand, anyway, these are deposited in layers, okay, on the earth's surface. The weight of the overlying layers compresses this mud and sand. Compressing means getting together. Okay, so the weight of the overlying layers, overlying means the above layers or the upper layers, compresses this mud and sand to form a solid rock which is called sedimentary rock. Examples of sedimentary rocks include limestone, sandstone, mudstone, conglomerate, chalk, coal, claystone and flint. So once again I repeat here. First question, what are rocks? Mention the different types of rocks. So rocks are solid substances found on the surface of earth and are made up of minerals. The different types of rocks are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Second question, describe the sedimentary rocks, give examples. Sedimentary rocks are formed when mud and sand are deposited in layers on the earth's surface. The weight of the overlying layers compresses the mud and sand to form a solid rock, which is called sedimentary rock. Examples of sedimentary rocks include limestone, sandstone, mudstone, conglomerate, chalk, coal, claystone and flint. Okay. Children, now see the third question. Explain any two metamorphic rocks. First one is mica, second one is quartzite. Mica is a shiny transparent material found in thin layers. So it is very shiny and transparent. Transparent means the light can pass through easily and found in thin layers. It is used in heat and current appliances. What do you mean by heat and current appliances? Like heat means you can go for the heater, you can go for the iron box, okay. And current appliances means those who works with the electricity. And it is fire and electricity resistance. That is the reason it is used in heat and electric appliances. Second one, quartzite is a hardened sandstone and is used to make statues. So you can observe different types of statues. These statues are made with quartzite. Let's go for the fourth question. How is petroleum formed? Petroleum is formed by the dead remains of plants and animals. Why? Because it is a fossil fuel under seabed which were covered by sand and clay. So these dead remains of plants and animals are covered by sand and clay under the seabed, and from that the petroleum is extracted. This is a fossil fuel. Let's see once again the third question. Explain any two metamorphic rocks. Mica is a shiny transparent material found in thin layers. It is used in heat and current appliances and is fire and electricity resistant. Quartzite is a hardened sandstone. It is used to make statues. Fourth question, how is petroleum formed? Petroleum is formed by the dead remains of plants and animals under seabed which were covered by sand and clay millions of years ago. Okay. Children, now see the fifth question. Write about minerals. All rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals can be metallic or non-metallic. Minerals have different shapes, children, different sizes and different colors. Some are grey, some are black, some are transparent, like that. And sizes also different. Some are small, some are big, some are average size. We use different minerals for different purposes. Let's see, hematite, bauxite, cinnabar and pyrite are some of the metallic minerals. So once again I repeat here, all rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals can be metallic or non-metallic. So metallic minerals or non-metallic minerals means coal and petroleum. Metallic minerals have different shapes, sizes and colors. We use different minerals for different purposes. Hematite, bauxite, cinnabar and pyrite are some of the metallic minerals. Let's go for the sixth question. Write short note on formation and types of coal. So the question is asking about the formation of the coal and what are the types of the coal. So here, as you know that coal and petroleum are the fossil fuels that are formed from the dead remains of plants and animals that are buried in the soil for millions of years. So million of years back, these plants and animals are after the death they are buried, and from the seabed these are extracted. The four varieties of coal are peat coal, lignite coal, bituminous coal and anthracite. So once again, coal is formed from the dead remains of plants and animals that are buried in the soil for millions of years. The four varieties of coal are peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite. Okay. Children, now see the higher order thinking skills question. Do you think limestone can be used to lay roads? Children, you observe that the roads are made up of different materials. Okay, some are concrete, some are cement. Now the question is, do you think limestone can be used to lay roads? Why or why not? If it is yes, why? If it is no, why not? So yes, the answer is yes. Limestone can be used to lay roads as the cement used in the concrete. The cement which we use in the concrete has limestone, used as a raw material in its manufacturing process. So limestone and clay together makes the cement. So in the cement manufacturing process, limestone is there. That is the reason that it is indirectly asked that limestone is yes. Can it be used to lay the roads? Yes, the answer is yes. So yes, limestone can be used to lay roads as the cement used in the concrete has limestone used as a raw material in its manufacturing process. Okay. Yeah, children, now see the very interesting question, value-based question. You want to make a small statue of Lord Ganesha. Yes, children, during Ganesh Chaturthi, we make small statues of Ganesha, Lord Ganesha. For the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, what type of rock or stone would you use to make it? So while making the idol, okay, of Ganesh, Lord Ganesha, so what type of material you will use? Okay, how will you decorate it with? How will you decorate it to make the idol beautiful? Now see the answer. I would use clay. Yes, you have to use clay to make the idol of Lord Ganesha for the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. So what is the material used? Clay. And decorate it with different water soluble colors. So we have to add the water soluble colors to make the idol beautiful. So once again here see, I would use clay to make the idol of Lord Ganesha for the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. So which material used? Clay, and decorate it with different water soluble colors. Okay. Children, now it is home assignment or project. Okay. You have to do this. The question is collect pictures of different types of minerals and paste here. So there is a space in the workbook. What you have to do? You have to collect different types of minerals, okay, and paste there. So this is the project work. So this is the end of the workbook part also, children. Thank you.